Friends, a digital revolution is coming to Surat, Gujarat, on May 17th, 2026. This is not just another date on the calendar. It marks the dawn of a new era for digital finance in India and beyond. Surat, a city known for its innovation and vibrant spirit, is about to become the epicenter of a movement that could reshape the way we think about money. This is the Pioneers India GCV event, a gathering of hope, ambition, and belief in the future of money. Here, visionaries, dreamers, and doers will unite under one roof, driven by a shared passion to redefine the boundaries of what's possible in the world of digital currency. Imagine a stadium, not for cricket, but for the future of digital finance. Picture thousands of pioneers, their eyes fixed on the horizon, ready to witness history in the making as new ideas and technologies take center stage. Surat, the Diamond City, symbolizes how the Pi network community is polishing their digital asset to reveal its true value. Just as diamonds are shaped and refined, so too is the Pi network being honed by its dedicated community, striving to unlock its full potential. This isn't just a meeting, it's a festival of belief and unity. The air will be electric with excitement, as people from all backgrounds come together to celebrate progress, innovation, and the power of collective vision. Pioneers from all walks of life are coming together to show the world and the Pi Core team that they are a powerful economic force. Their unity and determination send a clear message. The future belongs to those who dare to dream and act together. The event aims to accelerate Pi's journey to becoming a globally accepted currency. By fostering collaboration and sparking new ideas, the Pioneers India GCV event will help pave the way for a more connected and accessible financial world. It's about building an inclusive financial system, empowering those left behind by traditional banking. The vision is to create opportunities for everyone, regardless of background or circumstance, to participate in the digital economy. The Pioneers India GCV event is a bold step, a celebration of the journey so far, and a declaration that the future of money is in the hands of the people. It's a testament to the power of community and the unstoppable momentum of innovation. This day in Surat could be remembered as a turning point in digital currency history, a moment when pioneers came together, ignited a spark, and set the stage for a brighter, more inclusive financial future for all. What is the Pi network? Let's break it down in simple terms. Imagine earning digital money just by tapping your phone once a day. No technical skills or expensive equipment needed. Created by Stanford graduates Dr. Nicholas Kokalis and Dr. Cheng Diao Fan, Pi Network was designed to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require powerful computers and lots of electricity, Pi can be mined on your phone, making it eco-friendly and easy for anyone to join. The goal is ambitious: to build the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer marketplace, powered entirely by Pi. Imagine a global community where anyone can buy, sell, or trade goods and services using a digital currency that's truly accessible. Pi users, known as pioneers, help secure the network and earn Pi for their contributions. The more active and trustworthy the community, the stronger the network becomes. The vision is simple, yet powerful. Use Pi to buy your morning coffee, pay for services, or even trade goods with people across the globe, all without needing a bank account or paying high fees. Pi's journey started with easy phone mining, then moved to the enclosed Mainnet, where only verified users could spend Pi within the ecosystem. This step-by-step approach helped build trust and real-world use cases. By focusing on real-world utility instead of hype, Pi Network aimed to create lasting value and practical applications for its users. In February 2025, the Open Mainnet launched, connecting Pi to other blockchains and exchanges for the first time. This opened up new possibilities for trading and integration with the wider crypto world. Now, Pi's value is determined by the open market, allowing users to see real-time prices and trade Pi just like any other cryptocurrency. The project is a grand experiment. Can a currency's value be driven by community belief, engagement, and real-world use, not just speculation or hype? Pi is a currency for the people, by the people. It's built on the idea that everyone should have a chance to participate in the digital economy. Its success depends on the size, unity, and passion of its global community. The more people who use and believe in Pi, the stronger and more valuable it becomes. That's what makes Pi truly unique in the world of digital money, a currency shaped by its community for a new era of global connection. At the heart of the Surat event is the Global Consensus Value, or GCV, $314,159 per Pi. This number, inspired by the mathematical constant Pi, is a community-driven vision, not a market prediction. GCV's goal: unite pioneers under a high, stable value to prevent the price crashes that plague new cryptocurrencies. Instead of selling Pi for quick cash, the movement encourages using Pi for real goods and services. A high, stable value could attract businesses and developers, making Pi a reliable medium of exchange. The Surat event is a physical show of this digital consensus. GCV is bold and controversial, but it's about creating a currency whose value is set by collective will, not market whims. It's a social and economic experiment on a global scale. Every movement has its leaders and challengers. Pi's founders, Dr. Nicholas Kokalis and Dr. Cheng Diao-Fan, brought academic rigor and a vision for mass adoption. Their steady leadership has guided Pi's growth. Doris Yin Pi leads the GCV movement, inspiring unity and pushing for a community-driven valuation. She's organized global conferences and rallied pioneers to believe in their power. On the other side, critics like Dr. Altcoin argue that Pi's value should be set by the free market, not consensus. He warns that unrealistic expectations could harm Pi's credibility. The core team remains neutral, focused on building technology. This dynamic, builders, believers, and skeptics, makes Pi's journey compelling. The debate over value will shape Pi's future. The outcome depends on which vision the community and the world embrace. The road to Surat began with the open Mainnet launch in February 2025. Over 10 million pioneers migrated their Pi, and 19 million completed KYC. The firewall dropped, and Pi entered the open market, facing real price volatility for the first time. The coin's value dropped sharply, testing the community's resolve and highlighting divisions over GCV. The core team focused on improving infrastructure, especially KYC, to bring more users on board. Excitement grew around integrating AI, with founder Kokalis hinting at new possibilities for dApps and payments. Annual events like Pi 2 Day became milestones for announcements and community celebration. The journey is one of patience, persistence, and belief, despite market swings. These milestones set the stage for community-led events like Surat. Pi's evolution is ongoing, driven by innovation and unity. GCV is the most electrifying and divisive topic in the Pi community. Supporters see it as financial self-determination, a community declaring its own value, building stability and hope. GCV inspires passion, especially in places where stable financial tools are scarce. Critics argue value must be earned through real-world use and market acceptance, not just declared. They warn that unrealistic values could damage Pi's reputation and disappoint believers. The debate is central: community-declared value versus market-discovered price. The Surat event is a testament to the believer's strength, but the market's reality and critics' voices remain. This tension defines Pi's story today. The outcome will shape the future of the network. To truly understand Pi's power, you have to look at the people whose lives it touches every day. In India, a shopkeeper near Surat now accepts Pi for daily goods, believing that his small stash of digital currency could one day transform his family's future. For him, Pi isn't just a payment method, it's a symbol of hope and possibility. In Nigeria, young designers are exchanging clothing for Pi, building a circular economy that's insulated from the unpredictable swings of local currency. They're using Pi to support each other, creating new opportunities and connections. In rural China, farmers trade fresh produce for Pi, reaching new markets and customers through the app. For many, it's their first step into the digital economy, opening doors that were previously closed. These stories aren't about speculation or quick profits. They're about building real value, creating opportunity, and empowering everyday people. Across continents, grassroots economies are forming, powered by trust, collaboration, and a shared vision for a better future. Supporters argue this is Pi's true value, facilitating trade, fostering community, and providing hope where it's needed most. The Surat event brings together these pioneers, shopkeepers, designers, farmers, who are already using Pi in their daily lives, sharing stories and inspiring others to join the movement. They gather to celebrate their achievements and strengthen the ecosystem they're building, one transaction and one relationship at a time. This is the real foundation of the GCV movement, a community built on trust, innovation, and the belief that together they can shape a brighter future. The Surat event is more than local. It's a global milestone for Pi. India's massive active pioneer community gives the event global weight. It signals to the world and the Pi core team that India is ready to lead in digital finance. The event showcases India's potential as a hub for next-gen cryptocurrencies. Its success could inspire similar gatherings worldwide, strengthening the global network. Surat is a flagship demonstration of community power and engagement. The event tests the GCV philosophy on a grand scale, translating online consensus into real-world solidarity. The world will watch the stories and images from Surat, measuring the strength of the movement. India's pioneers are taking a bold leadership role in shaping the future of digital currency. After Surat, we're left with a big question. How is value created in the digital age? Can a currency's worth be set by collective belief or only by markets? Pi's journey is a test of this idea, with global implications for all digital currencies. The movement shifts crypto from pure tech to community-driven value. Pi's success is about building a massive, engaged network, not just fast code. Regardless of GCV's outcome, Pi has educated millions about digital money. The journey is both inspiration and caution. Community belief must meet real-world utility. The Pioneers India GCV event is a vibrant chapter in the story of how we'll redefine money for a digital century.